Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about the depreciation. Okay, so this is actually the economics for engineer lecture 10. As you know that guys, in the earlier video we have discussed about the inflation. Okay, where we have discussed about the various possibility of inflation, what are the causes of inflation, what are the basically various types of inflation, and we have also solved basically the lots of problem there. Okay, so in continuation to that, this is the lecture 10, and again this is one of the very important lecture guys. Okay, so try to watch very carefully. Okay, and at most guys, once your question either in objective type or in 10 marks question came to. Okay, so be careful guys. Okay, so before moving the video guys, if you are new here to my channel, your support is very important. Okay, and try to share with more number of students so that we can help more number of students. Okay, so let me start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, let me tell you what is the agenda today guys. Okay, so as I've already told that we will discuss about the depreciation. Okay, where we will discuss what is depreciation, what is the cause of depreciation, and what are the basically various method to find the depreciation. Okay, and at last we will go through the 4 to 5 example. Okay, and where we will get the complete idea of depreciation guys. Okay, besides that, with some example I will basically also give homework too. Okay, so let me start the topic guys. So first of all, what is depreciation? Okay, so depreciation is what? Depreciation is the loss of value of an asset over time. Okay, so due to wear and tear from repeated use or obsolescence of technology. Okay, so depreciation means basically when the value of a particular product decreases, that we call it depreciation. Okay, let me consider a particular example of smartphone. Okay, so suppose guys you have purchased a smartphone in 2022 or in 2021. Okay, after certain amount of time, or you can say 1 year or 2 year, प्राइस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्मार्टफोन बेसिकली डिक्रीज. ओके, सो दिस वी कॉल इट डिप्रिसिएशन. मींस जब भी भाई कोई एक प्रोडक्ट का आपका प्राइस डिक्रीज हो जाएगा उसे कहेंगे हम लोग डेप्रिसिएशन. सिंपली कैन से दैट वैल्यू ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट डिक्रीजेस विद सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, व्हाट आर द रीजन ऑफ डिक्रीजिंग द वैल्यू? फर्स्ट इज बियर एंड टियर फ्रॉम रिपीटेड यूज. ओके, मींस बियर एंड टियर मींस वो फट गया भाई, या फिर वो मींस बेसिकली कंटिन्यूअस यूज के कारण उसका भाई मींस रफ हो गया. ओके, second is obsolescence of technology. Okay, obsolescence of technology means as technology is basically improving, so due to means some other factor, its value basically got decreased. Okay, so that we call it a depreciation. Okay, so you can say you can give the example of earlier smartphone. Okay, earlier smartphone में वही क्या था, इतना ज़्यादा feature नहीं था, but now the feature has been increased. Okay, so it means obsolescence of technology. You can say technology is increasing, that's why value of that product is basically decreased. Okay, so that we call it a depreciation guys. Okay, so depreciation in T is basically denoted by DT. DT means depreciation at time interval T. Okay, so this is the overall concept of depreciation guys. Let me come to the concept. What are the concepts basically that we use in depreciation? Okay, so there are various concepts. First concept is the first cost. Okay, so first cost means what? Clear from the term that the cost that we basically purchase, means the cost at which we purchase. Okay, means this is the initial purchase price. Okay, or you can say cost price. Okay, means whatever the amount that we pay for purchasing a particular product, that we call it first cost. Okay, next second important thing is useful life, means the life, or you can say the product in which they are basically useful. Okay, or you can say period at which asset is physically usable, means use करने लायक रहा है उसको कहेंगे useful life. Next is salvage value. So salvage value is basically scrap or resale value that seller get on selling an asset after in its useful life. Okay, suppose आपने स्मार्टफोन 2 साल यूज कर लिया, आफ्टर दैट यू आर बेसिकली सेंडिंग टू, और बेसिकली यू मे गिव टू फॉर द एक्सचेंज और अदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, एंड जो भी वैल्यू आपको मिल रहा है स्क्रैप वैल्यू. ओके, दैट वी कॉल्ड एज अ सैल्वेज वैल्यू. ओके, मींस कोई स्मार्टफोन आपने अगर यूज किया 2 साल यूज करने के बाद आपको जो भी मिल रहा है, सपोज कोई आपने बाइक लिया 2 साल 3 साल यूज किए, फिर आपको रीसेल कर दिया. ओके, तो जो भी वैल्यू आपको मिल रहा है दैट वी कॉल्ड एज सैल्वेज वैल्यू. ओके, मींस अगर आपने बाइक 1 लाख में लिया और 20,000 में अगर आप बेच रहे हैं, देन 20,000 विल बी योर सैल्वेज वैल्यू. ओके, एंड 1 लाख विल बी योर फर्स्ट कॉस्ट. ओके, and useful life is basically here 2 year. Okay, I hope clear. Now book value. So this is the basically market value at the end of financial year of an asset. Okay, so अगर financial year end के बाद में whatever the value or market value of that particular asset, that we call it a book value. Okay, so book value is basically calculated as BT. Okay, that we consider as a BT minus 1 minus DT. Okay, means simply आप DT, और you can say that depreciation अगर आप decrease कर दिए. Okay, means जो भी बुक को वैल्यू 1 साल पहले का है उसमें अगर आप DT आप डेप्रिसिएशन रिड्यूस कर देंगे, दैट वी कॉल इट अ बुक वैल्यू. ओके, सो दिस आर द सम कंसेप्ट, वेरी यूजफुल कंसेप्ट दैट बेसिकली यूजफुल केम. ओके, स्पेशली का सैल्वेज वैल्यू आप याद रखिए. ओके, सैल्वेज वैल्यू, स्क्रैप वैल्यू, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Let me come to the next, that is what are the methods of depreciation. Okay, so there are various methods to calculate the depreciation. First is the straight line method, second declining balance method of depreciation, third sum of the year digit method depreciation, and fourth is service output method depreciation. Okay, so these are the very important depreciation, and among them two are common, that is the straight line method of depreciation and declining balance method of depreciation. Okay, so these are the basically common method to calculate the depreciation. Okay, so let me understand the part by part, guys. Okay, so first of all, straight line method of depreciation. Okay, clear from the word straight line means straightly, or you can say straight and forward, we are basically finding the depreciation. Okay, so dt, so formula for calculating this is dt equal to p minus f upon n. Okay, dt equal to p minus f upon n. Okay, here p is what? P is basically, you can say, the initial price. Okay, and other term you can clearly visualize too. Okay, so P minus F is basically salvage value and N is the year. Okay, जितना year के बाद calculate करने को बोलेगा that we call it N. Okay, so P is the price, okay, current price, F is the salvage value and N is that. Okay, so let me consider one example. Suppose a company has purchased an equipment whose first cost is rupees 1 lakh with an estimated life of 8 years. Means N का वैल्यू दिया है भाई, P का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है. Okay, estimated salvage value they have given that 20,000. Determine the depreciation charge and book value at the end of various year using the straight line method of depreciation. Simply you have to basically put the all the value. Okay, already P value दे चुका है, F value दे चुका है, N value दे चुका है. Simply putting given in a formula, you can clearly calculate the DT value, or you can say depreciation equal to 10,000. Okay, so this is the basically approach for solving this problem. Okay, so remember guys, in this approach it should be noted that depreciation is the same for all the period. Okay, means हर एक पीरियड के लिए वही सेम रहेगा. मीन्स एक ईयर, फर्स्ट ईयर में भी 10,000 डिप्रेशन होगा, नेक्स्ट ईयर में भी 10,000 डिप्रेशन होगा. ओके, इन बेसिकली पार्टिकुलरली यू कैन से स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड. ओके, सो दिस वी बेसिकली फॉर्म एज अ ग्राफ. ओके, एट एंड ऑफ ईयर मीन्स 0 ईयर मीन्स व्हाट, व्हेन यू हैव परचेज द प्रोडक्ट. तो भाई जितना आपने परचेज किया, यू कैन से जितना आपका वैल्यू रहेगा वो सेम रहेगा. मीन्स बुक वैल्यू सेम रहेगा. ओके, नाउ डिप्रिसिएशन आपका 1 ईयर के बाद कितना निकालना है? 10,000 एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड. सो जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट, देन बुक वैल्यू इज व्हाट? 90,000. ओके, बुक वैल्यू आप कर सकते हैं करंट वैल्यू जो कि डिप्रिसिएशन के बाद हो रहा है, उसको हम लोग बुक वैल्यू करेंगे. ओके, तो सिंपली आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 1 लाख माइनस 10,000, 90,000 एट 2 ईयर, 90,000 माइनस 10,000, 80,000. सिमिलरली यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू. ओके, और यू कैन से बुक वैल्यू आफ्टर 8 ईयर. ओके, सो दिस बी कॉल्ड एज अ basically this is the method for solving our problem. Okay, by straight line method. Okay, simply कुछ नहीं करना, just you have to put the value in the formula and you have to basically do the calculation. Okay, so let me come to our next very important method of depreciation, that is the declining balance method of depreciation. Again, clear from the term declining balance means as the basically time increases, its value basically decline. Okay, so these are the basically formula we will use. Okay, so dt equal to k bt minus 1. Depreciation at time t equal to k into bt book value minus 1. Okay, here k is a fixed percentage of depreciation. Okay, that will basically given in the question guys. Okay, remember ये सब जो वैल्यू आपको रहा है मींस 3 वेरिएबल है, जिसमें 2 का वैल्यू आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा, 1 का वैल्यू आपसे पूछा जाएगा. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल. Let me come to the example 2. Okay, so consider the example 1. Okay, so question will be same. Okay, but here the value that they have given declining balance method for depreciation, assuming 0.2 for k, means k value they have given is 0.2. So basically you have to calculate the depreciation. Okay, so p value according to previous question already अपने पास 1 लाख था. Okay, p value में 1 लाख था and f value basically salvage value they have given in the previous question. Okay, so 20,000, n value 8 year and k value is 0.2. So just you have to put here in the formula and you have to basically calculate the depreciation at time t. Okay, so when we calculate the value then you can easily get the this. Okay, means 0 year में भाई 0 था and book value is what? bt minus 1 minus dt, that is the means starting में depreciation क्या रहेगा? 0. Remember guys, at initial time, or you can say at the year 0, depreciation value will be 0. Okay, that's why whatever the cost means whatever the cost of purchasing particular product, that will be the book value. Okay, but after that depreciation decreases to what? 20,000. Okay, so as we have already calculated, means salvage value already दिया 20,000, then when we will decrease the 20,000 then we will get the value this 8,000. again doing the same kind of stuff. Okay, आप फिर से रिपीट करते जाएंगे, then you can get the value. Okay, book value. Okay, so this is the basically things that you should note in mind guys. Okay, so 80,000 से भाई 16,000 फी मीन्स 80,000 पे आपको फिर निकालना है डिप्रिसिएशन. ओके, देन 64,000 पे डिप्रिसिएशन निकालना. ओके, बट प्रीवियस ईयर में क्या था? डिप्रिसिएशन सेम था, मीन्स स्ट्रेट लाइन में डिप्रिसिएशन बार बेसिकली सेम, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस यू हैव टू बेसिकली कैलकुलेट दिस. ओके, इन एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू. ओके, सो हियर डिप्रिसिएशन इज नॉट सेम, क्लियरली विजुअलाइज. सो दिस इज आवर सेकेंड very important method, that is a declining method. Okay, let me consider to second next important topic, that is a double declining method. Okay, so here basically double declining means decline after decline, that we call it double declining. Okay, so as a calculation, all calculation are basically same a declining method, however k is not given in the question. Okay, so k by question में given नहीं रहेगा, simply you have to calculate the value of k as 2 upon n%. ओके, सो 2 upon n%, n is basically what? Year. ओके, सो जो भी ईयर के निकालना होगा सिंपली यू हैव टू डू द simply you have to basically find the value of k and you have to do the calculation. Okay, so in the previous example if we follow double declining method then k equal to what? 2 upon 8. 8 is the basically year they have given. Okay, and into 100 means 25% or you can say 0.25. Okay, so k का value वही अपने को मिल गया and then we have to do the same kind of calculation. Okay, so this is basically double declining method. Simply आप समझ लें कि इसमें आपको k value दिया नहीं रहेगा, simply you have to find the value of k. Okay, as 2 upon n%. Okay, so next important term or you can say the important things for the depreciation is that sum of year digit method of depreciation. Okay, so this is again important method but एग्जाम में बहुत कम ही क्वेश्चन इससे आता है. okay, मेन क्वेश्चन आपको आएगा डिक्लाइनिंग मेथड और स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड से, मेनली क्वेश्चन उन्हीं से वही आता है. okay, प्रीवियस ईयर से ही आया था. okay, बट लेट मी कंसीडर टू दिस सम ऑफ द ईयर डिजिट मेथड डिप्रिसिएशन. ओके, मींस 30 to 40% इसका चांस आने का है. ओके, so in this method basically depreciation if the asset has a life of 8 year then first time sum of the year is calculated. okay, means sum of year आपको सबसे पहले calculate करना है. okay, so as a formula you know very well that n into n plus 1 by 2. okay, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 year अगर है तो 8 तक कर दिए, अगर 9 year तो plus 9 तक करेंगे. okay, and rate of depreciation charge for the first year is assumed to be the highest and then it decreases. okay, so इसमें क्या करना भाई, digit method of depreciation means सबसे पहले आपको रेट जो फर्स्ट ईयर का है उसमें हाईएस्ट रखेंगे डिप्रिसिएशन एंड आफ्टर दैट बेसिकली रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन. रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन मींस व्हाट? वैल्यू दैट इज बेसिकली डिक्रीजिंग. जितना भी डिक्रीज हो रहा है उसको क्या है, पहले ज्यादा डिक्रीज होगा, फिर कम अमाउंट में डिक्रीज होगा, फिर कम अमाउंट में डिक्रीज होगा, फिर एट लास्ट बहुत कम अमाउंट में डिक्रीज होगा. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल बेसिकली फॉलो दिस. रेट विल बी 8/36, 7/36, 6/36, 5/36. ओके, सो 36 इज बेसिकली वैल्यू वी गॉट एज अ सम ऑफ ईयर. ओके, सो एज आपको मींस क्या निकालना है, रेशियो निकालना है बेसिकली. ओके, यू कैन से 8/36, 7/36 जो भी वैल्यू था अपने को लिख देना. ओके, and after that you have to do basically just calculation. okay, so following formula you have to do. okay, means basically you have to apply dt equal to rate of depreciation into total depreciation. okay, so rate of depreciation already we have got into total depreciation is equal to what? P minus f means cost minus salvage value. okay, and similarly we will basically calculate bt equal to bt minus 1 minus dt. okay, so after putting all that formula you can get this formula clearly. okay, तो कुछ नहीं भाई, bt minus 1 minus dt जो भी फार्मूला मैंने dt वगैरह कैलकुलेट किए सिंपली यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे, देन विल गेट दिस फार्मूला bt. ओके, let me come to one example, after that it will be much clear. okay, so example 3, a company has purchased an equipment whose first cost is rupees 1 lakh. okay, with an estimated life of 8 years. the estimated salvage value of the equipment at the end of lifetime is 20. means salvage value अपने को दिया गया. okay, or you can say here the value of f is given, value of p also given. okay, then determine the depreciation charge and book value at the end of every year or you can say various year using the sum of year digit method of depreciation. okay, so using sum of year digit method of depreciation you have to basically find the value. okay, so let me come to the solution guys. So friends, here p value already given, that is the 1 lakh, f value salvage value already given, that is the 20,000, and n value that is the 8 year they have already given. okay, so you have to basically calculate the sum of 8 value means 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. okay, so when you will do the calculation n into n plus 1 by 2 then you will get the value by 36. okay, so क्या करना भाई, 8/36, 7/36, 3/36 में बेसिकली आपको रेशियो निकालना है corresponding to 8 year. okay, so you will get the rate this. okay, now calculating the value of dt and bt for the different values summarized in the following using the following formula. okay, so ये formula को आपको लगाना है dt equal to rate into p minus f. okay, so rate is equal to what? for first year 8/36 already अपने को मिल गया, into p minus f what? p equal to already value we have gotten and f value already we have gotten. okay, so when you will apply the formula then you will get the value of dt. okay, इससे आपको dt के निकल जाएगा, मीन सिंपली rate minus rate into p minus f करेंगे. okay, रेट आपको कैसे निकालना है ऑलरेडी मैंने बता चुका, जो भी ईयर है पहले सम कर देंगे एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग रेशियो निकालना है. ओके, सिमिलरली वी विल गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ bt इक्वल टू bt minus 1 minus dt. ओके, मींस bt माने क्या हुआ, bt minus 1 मींस व्हाट, जो पहले का वैल्यू अपने को मिला -1. ओके, minus dt. ओके, लेट मी कम टू द सॉल्यूशन अगेन. सो दिस इज बेसिकली वैल्यू वी हैव गॉट. ओके, सिंपली आपको फॉर्मूला लगाना है, स्टार्टिंग में 0 रहेगा भाई, 1 लाख रहेगा. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं हर एक में कॉमन क्या है कि स्टार्टिंग एट द इनिशियल पीरियड में आपको बुक वैल्यू सेम रहेगा, आइदर व्हाटएवर द डिप्रिसिएशन मेथड और यू कैन से व्हाटएवर द मेथड दैट वी आर बेसिकली फॉलोइंग, आइदर स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड और बेसिकली यू कैन से डबल डिक्लाइनिंग और डिक्लाइनिंग मेथड फर्स्ट ईयर में, और यू कैन से एट द एंड ऑफ 0 ईयर देयर इट विल बी सेम. ओके, आफ्टर दैट भाई सब में चेंज होगा, स्ट्रेट लाइन में सेम वैल्यू से चेंज होगा, अदर में इंपॉर्टेंट चेंज होगा. ओके, सो सिमिलरली यू हैव टू बेसिकली कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू. ऑलरेडी मैं एक बता चुका हूँ ये वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगा आपको. सिंपली यू हैव टू पुट दिस फार्मूला. ओके, रेट मींस व्हाट, 8/36 इनटू दिस. ओके, एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ dt. सिमिलरली bt भाई आपको bt minus 1 minus dt करेंगे. ओके, सो bt minus 1 मींस दिस वैल्यू माइनस this value. Okay, depreciation करेंगे then we will get the value of this. So this is a simple solution for this. Let me come to our next very important method, that is basically last method of depreciation, that is service output method of depreciation. Again important but not basically much more important in context to your final semester exam. Okay, means mostly भाई आपका ज़्यादा straight line method और you can say declining method से आता है. Okay, ज़्यादा means 30 to 40% चांस भाई आपका जो ऑलरेडी मैंने बताया कि ये डिक्लाइनिंग मेथड मीन्स जब फिक्स टेन्योर रहेगा ये भी क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी मीन्स कभी कभी आते रहता है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बेसिकली बी केयरफुल. ओके, इन डिजिट मेथड ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन ये भी आता रहता है. ओके, बट इसका आने का चांस थोड़ा कम है. लेट मी कम टू दिस because this is in your syllabus. Okay, so in some situation it may not be realistic to compute depreciation based on time period. Okay, in such case depreciation is basically computed based on service rendered by an asset. Okay, so इसका कहने का क्या चांस है भाई, कहना क्या चाह रहा है, that in some situation it may be considered that means depreciation is basically not considering time period. Okay, suppose you have purchased a smartphone but you are not using it now. If you are not using it means what? We will not consider the time period. We will consider in this case as a service, means कितना दिन स्मार्टफोन चला, that we calculate. Okay, okay, but if you are using smartphone in a daily basis then yeah basically we will calculate as a time period. but अगर मैं आपने स्मार्टफोन यूज कम कर रहे हैं, okay, then भाई डिप्रिसिएशन तो सेम वैल्यू से नहीं निकालेंगे ना, क्योंकि अगर आप यूज नहीं कर रहे देन प्रोडक्ट आपका ठीक है, यानी सैलवेज वैल्यू और कैन से डिप्रिसिएशन कम होगा. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई इन दिस केस वी विल बेसिकली कंसिडर ए सर्विस आउटपुट मेथड. ओके, सो for this guys let me consider P equal to first cost of asset, F is the salvage value, X is equal to maximum capacity of service of asset during its lifetime, X equal to quantity of service rendered in a period. Okay, so these are the value basically you have to consider. Okay, means F जो salvage value जो means depreciate होगा. Okay, X is the maximum capacity of service, यानी maximum उसका service capacity क्या था. X is the quantity of service means कितना quantity में वही service render किया गया था, that we have to basically calculate or either in the question that they will be given. Okay, so depreciation is defined per unit of service render. Okay, depreciation per unit of service equal to P minus F upon X. X means maximum capacity भाई आपको divide कर देंगे, then you will get per unit service means depreciation per unit service. Similarly, depreciation for X unit service just be multiplied with X means small x. Okay, so P minus F upon capital X into small x. So this is the basically method for calculating the depreciation using service output. Okay, so service output कब लगाएंगे, जब अपने को भाई टाइम ईयर नहीं दिया रहा है, बेसिकली व्हेन द टाइम ईयर बेसिकली नॉट कंसीडर, दैट टाइम वी विल बेसिकली कंसीडर हियर द सर्विस मींस व्हाटएवर द टाइम दैट बेसिकली व्हाटएवर द रेट ऑफ सर्विस दैट द रेंडर्ड ओके बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वांटिटी दैट वी बेसिकली कंसीडर एज सर्विस आउटपुट मेथड ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. ओके, लेट मी कम टू एन एग्जांपल, आफ्टर दैट इट विल मच बी क्लियर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट कॉस्ट ऑफ रोड लाइन मशीन इज 80 lakh. ओके, एंड आई थिंक दैट 80 lakh over 8 crore. Okay, its salvage value after 5 years is 50,000. Length of road that can be laid by the machine during its lifetime is 75,000 km. In its third year of operation, the length of road laid is 2,000 km. So find the depreciation of equipment in for that year. Okay, so here आप guys आपको लग रहा है भैया why you are basically applying here the this method. Okay, or you can say the service method of depreciation, because you know guys road जो है already means हमेशा नहीं बनता रहता. Okay, there may be consider that in rainy season or in a bad season. Okay, there may be basically stoppage of that. Okay, that's why we are basically calculating the service कितना दिन का दे रहा है, what is the maximum output according to that we will calculate. Okay, so I hope clear means आपको क्वेश्चन देख के समझाना चाहिए what the method we have to apply here. Okay, so let me come to the solution. Here P value they have already given 80 lakh or I think the 8 crore. Okay, F value salvage value they have already given, that is the 50,000. X value that they have already given, that is 75,000 kilometer means lifetime इसका क्या maximum output क्या है, और you can say capital X means what maximum capacity service क्या है इसका 75,000 kilometer. Okay, but length of road that is to be laid is means value of small x they have given, that is 2,000 kilometer. Okay, so just you have to put the formula here P minus F upon X into X. Just after putting the value you will get the solution is this. Okay, so P value this minus salvage value 50, P minus F upon capital X maximum output कितना था 75,000 किलोमीटर, निकालना कितने के लिए भाई 2,000 किलोमीटर के लिए. ओके, सो आफ्टर डूइंग द कैलकुलेशन इट विल बी इजी. ओके, सो आई होप क्लियर गाइस. ओके, next question guys basically you have to do by your own self. Okay, so let me come to the question. Okay, I will also show you the solution, but if you face any problem for doing this then you can basically comment here. Okay, I will basically provide the detailed discussion, but मैंने भाई solution आपको ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड कर दिया, then you can easily get into this. Okay, मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ बिकॉज वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड यू विल बेसिकली गेट बोर्ड. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई विल जस्ट मेक यू द क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंड, आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू डू द सॉल्यूशन बाय योर ओन. ओके, So example 5, that is the cost of machinery is rupees 20,000, estimated life is 4 year, residual value is null, means residual value is nothing. So use straight line method for computing depreciation. Find book value for second year, okay, of second year, okay. So this is basically solution. Simply by straight line method को मैंने formula लगा दिया, and after that we'll get the value of book value 2. This is basically our solution 5. Let me come to the solution 6, or you can say example 6 guys. Again important questions, okay. So company purchase of machine on 1st April is 2012, okay. Now guys you can very consider that now from now on, but basically we are mixing the variety of question, means हर एक method जो भी मैंने बताया, you have to basically I am giving the question on base of that, okay. So according to that you basically have to basically analyze that what are the method that we have to apply for calculating this type of calculation, okay, or you can say for solving this type of question, okay. So खुद से आपको समझना पड़ेगा, okay, and when you will do lots of questions, then after that you will basically came to a particular stage that you can realize that yeah, मेरे को ये depreciation method लगाना, या मेरे को ये लगाना. So that will be clear, okay. So you have to basically solve more number of question for getting the numerical question, okay. So company purchase of a machine on 1st April is 2012 for rupees 2,60,000. Shipping charge they have given, import duty they have given, installation charge 8,000 they have given, depreciation to be charged at diminishing rate at following year, means at per year they have given the value. First year में 10% depreciation होगा, second year 20%, third year 30%, okay. So calculate the amount of depreciation in each year, means you have to basically calculate the depreciation in each year. What are the depreciation basically will be in each year, okay. Let me come to solution guys, okay. So first of all total initial cost will be what? Whatever the value that they have given, first of all you have to means do the sum. 2,60,000 प्लस शिपिंग चार्ज आपको कंक्लूड करना होगा, इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी मीन्स जो भी भाई आपका बेसिकली कॉस्ट लग रहा है उसको आप पहले कैलकुलेट करेंगे, ओके. सो टोटल इनिशियल कॉस्ट, ओके, फॉर बी इज बेसिकली दिस. सो 2,90,000 you will get after calculating that, okay. So depreciation after first year means time is basically 1, okay, and they have given percentage at 10%. 10% means what? 0.1, okay. So K1 into B0, so 0.1 into 2,90,000. So you will get the value of depreciation as 29,000, okay. Similarly for other year you can get, okay. So now B1 equal to what? 2,90,000, okay. And depreciation will be what? Depreciation आपको simply क्या 29,000 से आपको घटा देना है, then you will get the value of this, okay. So you just means thus you will get the value after first year. First year के बाद आपका क्या वैल्यू रहेगा, जो भी नॉर्मल ईयर था 0 ईयर के, एंड डिप्रिसिएशन आपको सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू, ओके. सिमिलरली डिप्रिसिएशन आफ्टर सेकंड ईयर विल व्हाट? D2 इक्वल टू K2 इंटू B1. K2 भाई कितना दिया हुआ है? 20%. 20% मीन्स व्हाट? 0.2. सो 0.2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2,61,000, ओके. So that will you will get the value of 52,200, okay. Remember guys, एक चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है कि whatever the value that you have got after first year, उस पर आपको डिप्रिसिएशन लगाना है कोई 10%, या नेक्स्ट में क्या करेंगे B3 निकालना है, तो जो भी वैल्यू आप B2 लेकर रखे हैं उस पर आपको लगाना है क्या मीन्स 30%, ओके, और यू कैन से 0.3. सो यू विल गेट द सॉल्यूशन. आई होप क्लियर, ओके. कुछ नहीं करना guys, simply first of all you have to calculate the total initial cost. Okay, so you have to basically do the summation of shipping charge and other important things, and after that applying the method, okay, you will get the value. Coming to example 7, so this is actually a homework, okay. You have to understand the question by your own self and you have to do the solution, okay. If you are facing any issue, then you can go through the solution that I have already provided, okay. And hint 2. So this is basically our complete lecture on depreciation. I hope clear guys, okay. Let me give you a glimpse what are the things that we have considered in this lecture, okay. What are the things that we have covered? So first of all we have started the concept of depreciation. We have discussed that depreciation means basically amount of value decreases after certain period of time, okay. There we have discussed what are the reason of depreciation, wear and tear, and obsolescence of technology, okay. Then we have discussed about the concept used, where you have discussed the concept of first cost, useful cost, salvage value, book value. Then we have go through the various method of depreciation. First is straight line method, then declining method, sum of year depreciation, and service output, okay. So straight line method में भाई आपको formula याद रखना है, dt equal to P minus F upon N. Similarly we have done the some type of numerical question, and then we go through the declining method of depreciation, where you have to basically apply the formula dt equal to K into BT minus 1, okay. So यहाँ पर क्या रहता है भाई, fixed percentage of depreciation होता है, okay. K equal to we consider the fixed method of depreciation. So after that guys we have discussed about a double declining method, okay. Again here we have to calculate the value of K, okay. In declining method K value given था, but यहाँ we have to calculate declining method of K as 2 upon N into N%, means N is basically year, or you can say time period, okay. After that we have go through the sum of year digit method depreciation. Again important है भाई एग्जाम के थ्रू परस्पेक्टिव से, जहाँ पर भाई मैंने क्या किया, रेशियो निकालोगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द सम ऑफ ऑल ईयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू बेसिकली फाइंड द रेशियो, ओके. यहाँ से क्या चलना भाई, फ्रॉम लार्जर पीरियड टू स्मॉलर पीरियड चलना, ओके. मीन्स 8/36, 7/36 से करना, ओके. आई होप क्लियर. After that, we have gone through the various example numerical problem, and last we have calculated the service output method of depreciation. When we will apply this method of depreciation, whenever the basically we can't consider the time period. Okay, जहाँ पर हमको time period नहीं consider करना है, we have to basically consider the service. Okay, what are the time period for which particular product is delivering the service to customer. That we basically go through the service output method of depreciation. So this is basically complete lecture of depreciation. I hope informative to you. If you have any doubt related to anything, feel free to ask guys. Again saying guys, please share this lecture with more number of friends. Okay, because you know guys, in YouTube very few number of lectures are available for the economics for engineer. Okay, so I am working hard for you for delivering this type of important lecture. So please support. Okay, and if you haven't joined our Telegram group where I am sending all these type of notes, besides various other important engineering notes also sharing, so you can join that group. Okay, that is basically free of cost where I am sharing the various notes and other important things. Okay, so this is all about from me. Okay, again you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and various other platform. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask there too. I will try to resolve all that doubt. Okay, hope informative to you. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Thank you.